is a special year because, of course, it's the UAE Year of Community. As over 4,000 people have come together at the Emirates NBD Unity Run. Together, we have been celebrating the 8th edition. Every step brings us closer together. Every step shows the commitment to families, to organisations. Everybody has a place to be walking, running and wheeling together.
1, 2, 3, go!
Really proud to take part of this year's Unity Run, but really aligns with the UAE Year of Community. It was fantastic because you're seeing NGOs, people of determination, families, and the whole spectrum of our UAE community. It aligns with our Emirates NBD values and the UAE Year of the Community.
Right, you gotta move, you got the energy, guys. Keep moving, don't stop until you get to the finish line. Let's go, guys!
Pleasure being here. You think about, bringing people together of different ages, different fitness levels, and it makes me proud to work at Emirates NBD, which sponsors an event like this, and really focus on that. You can see the crowd going wild, so well done Emirates NBD, and great to be here.